Alaikum and welcome to Titli's Busy Kitchen with me, Titli. I've been growing... Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Titli's blib 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 blib. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Titli's Busy Kitchen with me, Titli. I've been growing in my greenhouse. To make the basbousa, I've got 24. To make the basbousa, I've got 225 grams of semolina, 225 grams of castor sugar, 24 blanched almonds whole, and a teaspoon of bake bog. So for my veggie burgers, I've got 120 grams of mushrooms that I've chopped. What's that doing? Mushrooms that I've chopped. For these delicious cookies, I've got 2 Maggi bananas. I can't remember how much flour. For my lamb and spinach curry, I've got 450 grams of cubed lamb, 200 grams of spinach roughly chopped, 1 red capsicum pepper coarsely chopped, 2 onions cut into slices, 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste, 2 green chilies cut into slices, and you can leave the seeds in or not, that's up to you, 2 teaspoons of coriander, and then here I've got a For the vegetables, I'm using 100 grams of freshly washed spinach. Test. Oh. For the caramel, I've got 120 grams of castor sugar, and for the custard, I've got 500 ml of full cream milk, 100 grams of castor sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla flavouring, and 4 eggs. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Titli's Busy Kitchen with me, Titli. If you're expecting a recipe for bouillabaisse, I'm afraid you're going to be very disappointed. In my humble opinion... Now the purists will tell you that I should serve this not with creme fraiche but with something called rouille, which translates from the French as rust. Life's too short to make rouille. Just you... Right. The purists will tell you that you shouldn't No. What? What do you want? You want some meow? What? You can smell fish, can't you? That's your problem. You can smell fish. Meow. Come on, scoot. I'm trying to do something useful here. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Titli's Busy Kitchen. Under attack. In the middle of the cooking basket there's this rather interesting shaped paddle which can easily be removed for cleaning by unclicking and re-clicking to put it back into... Now... Splot!